Hello.
Hello. Uptown Swing.
Level 1,
Charleston. Peter.
Ah.
Val. Good job, y'all. We did some sneaky stuff today. We worked on getting into and out of the kickaways. Getting into it. On the 5, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, kickaways is this, and we can kind of put it on repeat. Y'all did a great job with that.
Hip every time. Hip.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, catch the hip. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, catch the back, you're done. We also practice going around the world. Hey, ha, ho, ha. You can go right away, or you can wait for it. It just goes single, single. Now you're back to kickaways. Back to basic. And then we worked on getting into hand-to-hand Charleston, very sneaky style. Check it out. Here's the mantra. Double kick, double kick, double kick, kick. Rock step, single, single, bam, now we're in hand-to-hand Charleston. We do that exact same mantra to get back. It goes double kick, double kick, double kick, kick. Rock step, single, single, bam, and you're back.
Followers, don't worry about no rock steps. You don't get to rock step yet. You just, it isn't around the world that ends up happening to you, but just don't worry about it.
Leaders should be adjusting, followers shouldn't. Get some practice with that stuff, and really just remember, single kicks and double kicks and the Charleston basic, any of that, just practice that stuff, and that'll be great for next week. See you then.